Are you aware of how your phone can be monitored? It sounds alarming, right? But if I told you there are ethical hackers who do it to protect you? Today, we will explore how ethical hackers monitor phone messages and calls remotely. First, we need to understand their role. Ethical hackers help organizations strengthen their digital security. They use their skills to identify weaknesses. Monitoring messages and calls is one method they employ. Let's look at how they do this step by step. First, ethical hackers gain permission from the target. Consent is crucial. Next, they use specialized software. This software is designed to intercept and analyze data. Once the software is in place, they can access messages and calls. They look for anomalies or suspicious activities. Monitoring can also help in locating stolen devices. After the data is collected, hackers analyze the information. They search for patterns that indicate security threats. This analysis helps businesses protect sensitive data. Imagine a company concerned about its employees' security. An ethical hacker might monitor incoming and outgoing calls to check for risks. By spotting vulnerabilities, companies can modify policies and training. In summary, ethical hackers play a vital role in security. They monitor messages and calls with consent. This process protects individuals and organizations from potential threats. If you're interested in cybersecurity, consider exploring this field further. Start learning about ethical hacking today.